correlative conjunctions, Part 2. Now let us learn about the use of correlative conjunction as many as. 5. As many as. There were as many boys as there were girls in the class. Here, as many as is used as correlative conjunction, as the number of boys and the number of girls in the class have equal importance in the sentence. B. There are as many chairs as there are students. Here, as many as is used as correlative conjunction, as the number of chairs and the students have been given equal importance. Now let us learn about the use of correlative conjunction not only but also in sentences. 6. Not only but also. She not only wrote the screenplay for the movie but also acted a role in it. Here, not only but also is used as correlative conjunction, as girls' writing of screenplay is given equal importance with her acting in the role. B. Amir not only acted in the movie but also directed it. Here, not only but also is used as correlative conjunction, as Amir not only played the role of actor in the movie but also directed it has the same importance. Now let us learn about the use of correlative conjunction whether or in sentences. 7. Whether or. A. I do not know whether my father is arriving by the 8 o'clock flight or 9 o'clock flight. Here, whether or has been used as a correlative conjunction, as whether my father arrives in a flight by 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock has the same importance in the sentence. It will not matter whether you play according to the rules or not. Here, whether or has been used as a correlative conjunction, as whether I play according to the rules or not has the same importance. Now let us learn about the use of correlative conjunction hardly when in sentences. 8. Hardly when. I had hardly sat down for dinner when the phone rang. Here, hardly when are correlative conjunctions, as when I sat down for dinner and when the phone rang have the same importance. B. Hardly had he begun studying when his friends came into his room. Here, hardly when are correlative conjunctions, as when he began studying and when his friends came into his room have the same importance. Now let us learn about the use of correlative conjunction if then in sentences. 9. If then. A. If they had played as a team, then they would have surely won the match. Here, if then is used as a correlative conjunction. As in the sentence, playing as a team and winning the match is being given same importance in the sentence. B. If it is raining, then the ground is wet. Here, if and then are used as correlative conjunctions, as rain and wet ground have the same importance.